Hey fellow Dota 2 fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to know what your Dota 2 friend ID is. To find your Dota 2 ID, you first need to open Dota 2 and go to your profile by clicking on your name or your avatar right next to it. And there, under your name, you will be able to see a Dota 2 friend ID. Your Dota 2 friend ID is a unique numerical identifier associated with your account. You can share this ID with friends or use it for various in-game purposes, such as adding friends or joining communities. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!